Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting immediate access to the fog lamp housing. First, park on level ground, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition off. Once done, remove the wheel well fasteners or the plastic access panel behind the fog area so you can reach the lamp. This avoids removing the bumper. Make sure to wear gloves to protect the bulb and keep a flashlight handy. You don't need to remove the entire bumper. Accessing through the wheel well or panel is the only practical way on this model. Now you'll remove the old bulb and housing components. First, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling straight out. Don't twist the wires. Next, use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the mounting bolts while supporting the housing so it doesn't drop. Once the housing is free enough, reach behind and rotate the bulb socket counterclockwise, then pull the bulb straight out. You do this to avoid breaking the glass and to prevent oil from your fingers shortening bulb life, so handle the replacement carefully. To finish, insert the new bulb by aligning its tabs and rotating clockwise until it seats firmly. You should feel it click. Once seated, reconnect the electrical connector until it snaps in place, reattach the housing bolts snugly, and reinstall the access panel or wheel well fasteners. Then turn on the fog lights to test. If the light doesn't illuminate, check the connector for corrosion, verify the fuse in the fuse box, and confirm the bulb orientation is correct. Those 3 fixes resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.